Hi everyone, welcome you back in this physics video, and today we will learn it is of about sound. So sound is what? That it is a form of energy that can be heard and it travels in the form of waves. As you are getting my voice, so therefore this is having such an energy that it can cause a sensation of hearing in your ears. ठीक है, आपके कानों में ये क्या कर रहा है, सेंसेशन ऑफ हियरिंग को कॉज कर रहा है, तो इसलिए ये क्या बनी, एक टाइप ऑफ एनर्जी है. ठीक है, बिकॉज इट हैज़ द एबिलिटी टू डू द वर्क. एंड हाउ इट ट्रैवल इन द मीडियम, तो ये कैसे ट्रैवल करती है, सो इट ट्रैवल्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ वेव. ओके, सो नाउ ओवर हेयर हाउ वी कैन प्रोड्यूस अ साउंड, एक साउंड कैसे बनाई जा सकती है. ओके, सो सिंपली टू से ओवर देयर बाय मेकिंग द बॉडी टू वाइब्रेट. किसी भी बॉडी को अगर हम वाइब्रेट करते हैं तो उससे क्या होगा, साउंड प्रोड्यूस होगा. बट हाउ वी कैन वाइब्रेट द बॉडी, तो बॉडी को वाइब्रेट कैसे किया जा सकता है, सो दैट कैन बी बाय अप्लाइंग द फोर्स. Okay, so when we will apply the force, so the body will start to vibrate and thus the sound will be produced. Now as the force which we are going to apply, it could be of small magnitude or either could be of a large magnitude. ठीक है, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, धीरे से भी फोर्स अप्लाई कर सकते हैं या जोर से भी फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं. ठीक है, सो इफ वी विल अप्लाई स्मॉल फोर्स, so small vibration will produce in the body and therefore a small sound will produce. As I am going to have this sound over here. Okay, so softly I am going to hit it on the board, therefore that is sound which is producing at the time, it is going to be soft sound, small sound is going to be produced. While if I will increase the magnitude of the force, so what will happen, large vibration will set into the body and therefore large sound will produce. So there it is, that the magnitude of the force which we applied, so it increased little bit, therefore that large vibration it produced in the body and thus it has a large sound. So thus we come to know here that how we can produce the sound. Now let us to know that this sound in which medium it can travel, तो जो साउंड है वो कौन से मीडियम के अंदर ट्रैवल कर सकता है. सो एज वी आर हैविंग द थ्री टाइप ऑफ द मीडियम, सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैस, सो इट कैन ट्रैवल इन ऑल दीज थ्री मीडिया. बट इफ वी विल स्पीक ओवर देयर दैट in which it cannot travel, so then we will say over there this cannot travel in vacuum. There it is, in the vacuum it cannot travel. Okay, so over here that the three medium in which it is going to travel as solid, liquid and gas, so in which medium it will travel with a high speed and in which medium it will be slower one. Okay, so therefore here that we are having the some of the example which is indicating about their speed in that medium. So we are getting that in the solid, in case of solid, this sound travels very fast and thereafter on the second number it travel in liquid and it is very slower in case of gas. Okay, so that we can see over here, fastest in solid and slower in liquid while slowest in gas. So with this example, as we will check that in glass it is going to travel with this 500 5640 meter per second, while in steel it is going to travel with 5960 meter per second, means in 1 second it is going to cover so much data distance. If we check it in case of water, sorry, that liquid, so liquid that generally it is sea water. So sea water that we are going to have, this is going to travel with the speed of 1482 meter per second. ओके, दिस इज द स्पीड नियरली 1500 मीटर पर सेकेंड, तो एक सेकेंड में 1500 मीटर ये पानी में ट्रैवल करती है. वाइल इन मरकरी इट इज़ 1450 मीटर पर सेकेंड that it travels in mercury. Okay, so if we check it in case of this gas, then it is the slowest one. तो अगर हम बात करें कि एयर के अंदर ये जो साउंड है वो कौन सी स्पीड के अंदर चलती है, ठीक है, तो एट 20 डिग्री टेम्परेचर, अगर एयर का टेम्परेचर 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस है, सो इट ट्रेवल्स विद 343 मीटर पर सेकेंड। तो ये एक सेकेंड में 343 मीटर कवर करती है। एंड इफ़ वी टेक ओवर देयर हीलियम, so in helium it covers 965 meter per second. So thus with the comparison of these speeds we come to know that this is going to be fastest in solid and slowest in gas. Now let us to learn over here that which sound is audible to us. Okay, because every sound is not audible to our ears, so only a particular sound is audible to us. So therefore that sound which can be heard by us, so it is said to be audible sound. So that audible sound is having its frequency which is going to lie between 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. This is said to be the lower limit. It is lower limit while it is the upper limit. सो देर वी कम टू नो कि जो हमारे ह्यूमन ईयर्स हैं वो लोएस्ट किस फ्रिक्वेंसी की साउंड सुन सकते हैं, 20 हर्ट्स की, और हाईएस्ट कितने की सुन सकते हैं, 20 किलो हर्ट्स की जो फ्रिक्वेंसी की साउंड है वो सुन सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज दैट रेंज ऑफ द फ्रिक्वेंसी ऑफ ऑडिबल साउंड एज वेल. Okay, now over there, if the sound frequency will be less than 20 हर्ट्स, अगर फ्रिक्वेंसी की जो उस साउंड की जो फ्रिक्वेंसी है वो 20 हर्ट्ज से कम हो जाती है, सो देन वी विल कॉल इट इज एज इंफ्रा साउंड. नाउ हु आर कैपेबल ऑफ हियरिंग दिस इंफ्रा साउंड, तो कौन जो है इन साउंड्स को सुन सकता है या फिर प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है, ठीक है. सो विद दिस फ्यू ऑफ द एग्जांपल वी विल लुक दैट देयर इट इज राइनो. तो जो राइनो है वो सुन भी सकता है और प्रोड्यूस भी कर सकता है. व्हेल आल्सो कैन हियर दिस इंफ्रा, एलिफेंट्स, वाइब्रेटिंग पेंडुलम, अर्थक्वेक, जिराफ, इवन दो दैट ए ह्यूमन बेबी, जो न्यूली बॉर्न बेबी होता है, दैट दे कैन आल्सो हियर दिस infra sounds. And this middle aged adult, so he can also hear this infra sound. तो जैसे जैसे एज बढ़ती जाती है वैसे वैसे जो हमारे पास ये जो पर्सन है वो इवन दो 12 to 14 किलो हर्ट्स की जो फ्रिक्वेंसी साउंड है उनको सुन सकते हैं. ओके, सो दस वी कम टू नो ओवर हेयर all these sounds they have their frequency less than 20 hertz, so these were named as infrasound. Now if we will look over there, those frequencies which is more than audible sound, so higher frequency it was 20 kilohertz, and above of this if there is any frequency, so these sound of those frequencies are known as ultrasound. So these ultrasound, that who can hear this ultrasound, so we are having over here these dogs. Okay, so most probably that whenever something is happening, so firstly only the animals comes to know that what is going there. Okay, so therefore these dogs they can respond to these ultrasounds, even though that to train them we are using a special type of the whistle, and this is known as Galton whistle. So this Galton whistle, it produces ultrasound, and only the dog can respond for this Galton whistle. Okay, but this Galton whistle is not audible to us because its frequency is more than our audible frequency. Now the next that the animal which can respond for it is this dolphin. Okay, so they can conversate to each other, so with the help of this ultrasound. Next is that bat. So bat can respond to these frequencies of 100 kilohertz. So these are ultrasound. So these bats they are using those ultrasound to catch their prey, even though, ठीक है, जो उनके खाना है ड्यूरिंग द नाइट टाइम, दे आर कैपेबल टू कैच दैम विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस ultrasound. Okay, so that's all from my today's video, and stay tuned with it. Thanks for watching it. Thank you.